Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl Lori. Hey, girl, hey, how y'all doing today? Guys, it's that time of month. You know, Beauty Over 40 collab with all the beautiful women. Guys, we have a treat for you this month. Super duper excited. Make sure you go and check out all the ladies. Their links will be in the description bar. So once you watch my video, go check out their videos and give them some purple hearts and let them know Lori sent you. But guys, I know you like, girl, why we can't see your makeup? Because it's a surprise. And if you want to see the surprise, I need for you to keep on watching.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life, yeah. Check out Lori's life, yeah, this is Lori's life. If you
Alright, y'all, let's get into this look. You guys see, this whole look is going to be inspired by this picture right here. Isn't she beautiful? Y'all, we're going to use the, I decided to use the Urban Decay Smoky palette today to create the eye look that I wanted to do. So, you guys know I love doing these collabs with Beauty Over 40. The whole group, all the ladies are so wonderful. And so we decided this time to go ahead and take this picture by the artist named Tiffani Glenn. And we're just going to be inspired by the picture. And of course, y'all, I'm looking for my brush. There we go. And of course, I want to talk about it a little bit, so you guys can know who she is. And I will leave the link to her website in the description bar. So in case you guys see something, because I'm going to show you some of her paintings, in case you see something you want to pick up, you know, because we want to support a sister. She's a black woman out here doing that thing. You hear me? You guys are going to see the pictures. But I'm going to go in with my NYX Dance the Tide, and we're just going to put that all over the lid. But just a few facts about her. In 2007, she graduated from the University of Tampa. Well, it's the Art Institution of Tampa. And what did she get? I got notes. Hold on. She had a BFF in Media, Arts, and Animation. So your girl, she not only have talent, but she has education behind the back of her name, which is a wonderful thing. And I was just looking at some of the fun facts about her. Some of the facts about her. For one, girl, she's been participating in Essence Festival. Y'all, if you've never been to the Essence Festival, whenever we can go back, you have to go. But she's been participating in that since 2018. And then another thing I found out about her that I thought was interesting, because y'all know I'm from Cleveland. But last year, 2019, she started working with the Frame Gallery in Cleveland, Ohio. So maybe one day I might get to meet her. I don't know. But guys, she is super talented. I just want you guys to kind of look at some of her artwork. Okay, so this is what we did with the eye so far. That's the first step. Now, when I look at the painting, y'all, I see so much. But I know she was saying when it comes to her paintings, she liked to paint women of color, children of color. And I decided for my look, I wanted to go in, I'm going to use this black shade right here, right? That's what I'm going to use. So she paints women and children of color. And no, y'all, I'm not going to do that. Hold on, let's go back. Let me go in with this color right here. Hold on, this one right there. I'm going to do that. And when you look at her paintings, you'll see that she used such vibrant colors. Like, it's just so vibrant, the colors that she uses. In all of the paintings that I've seen of hers, is full of color. And they just tell a story. But the one thing she was saying is she wanted to showcase all of the vibrant colors, but she also wanted us, as the people viewing and purchasing her art, to actually look deep into to the palette. I mean, not the palette, to the art, and be able to see the struggle that women of color and children of color go through. And it's in the paintings, and you really have to look. Like, it really made me like, y'all, when I looked at her work, I was like, okay, let me just really take a good look at this painting and see like really what it is that I see. And I wrote some things down that I saw. But she also not only wants to showcase their struggles, but she also wants them to get to a place of empowerment and acceptance of themselves, and understanding that, yeah, as Black women and children, yeah, we're going to go through things, but we can overcome it. Yes, it might not be easy. We're going to have things and obstacles in our way, but we can overcome it and get to a place of self-acceptance and empowerment. And I'm like, yes, 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 because that's so true. Yeah, so true. We can't give up, and we have to always accept who we are. Period. Because we are fabulous, you know. Y'all, this is looking cute. So now what I'm going to do is go in with my little mini booster. Y'all know I love this brush. Now we're going to go in with black. Now, the reason why, let me tell you guys why I'm choosing the colors that I'm choosing. The first color is the black, that I'm choosing this color because when I look at the painting, I see beautiful blackness. I see, even in the background, I see the city that's black. And what I got from that is sometimes when you grow up in the city, it could be hard. It could be tough times, you know what I'm saying? And that's kind of like what I saw, like in the background, the tough times that you could have to overcome and have to deal with. So that's why I wanted to add black into this look, because it's a twofold thing. It can represent the harsh, you know, hardness, the hard knock life, but then it also represents the beauty. So I wanted to go ahead and add that in. And then I also, when I was looking at the painting, when I looked at the young lady, like some of the, when I look at the struggles, I was kind of seeing like pressure, you know, like especially when you're a young girl in the inner city, sometimes we have a lot of pressure on us, and we also are secret keepers, you know. I saw that in there. I was like, okay, a secret keeper in her. And then I also saw like a burden of having to hold it down, you know, like she got to hold it down. I saw that in that also. Okay, y'all, I'm going to go back in with this brush and go in with that brown and just clean this up. Clean that up a little bit. Oh, this is turning out nice. Hold on, let me look at my notes because I've seen so much. Let's see. Yeah. Now, when I look at it and I look at her strengths, I saw that she was strong, confident. I also saw that she accepted her own natural beauty. I love the Afro puffs, you know, being beautiful and sexy and not depending on other people to dictate what her beauty is. I saw that. What else did I see? I saw warmth. Like when you look at this picture, do you not see warmth? I see the warmth from the sun. You see the sun coming in the back, the warming her, the warmth of God. I saw that. Y'all, I'm gonna go total opposite because I see it's a lot of opposites I see in this picture. So I have black, and then I'm gonna go in right here on my lid with this white, because it's a contrast, and I see a contrast in the photo. So I wanted to add that to the eye. I got the wrong brush. Hold on, let me get a different brush, because that brush is too big. There we go. So I'm gonna put that on here for contrast, because I see the pressure, but yet I see the strength. You know what I mean? I see the innocence in her, you know what I mean? But I see the grown woman in her also. So that's why I wanted to go with a contrast, total opposites. I want y'all in the description box, let me know what you see in this picture. Like, do you see a contrast, or just you don't have to say contrast. I just want to know what you see. I don't want to put words in your mouth. I want to know really what it is that you see when you look at this picture. And I'm going to put up some other photos so you can see her other work, guys. So if you want to support her, this is really pretty. And then when I look at her, I do see an innocence, but then I see the sexiness too, the spiciness, the sassiness, you know, in her. And then I see independence, because when you look at the car, it's her car. It's her license plate, Fly Girl. So she's a girl about her business, taking care of her business, independent, and taking care of herself. Yeah, I think this is so pretty. I'm gonna go back in with my mini booster and go back in with that black. And first let me get this stuff off my face. All right, that's better. Go back in with the black, and we're just gonna blend this in. Y'all know how I like to do. Blend her in. We don't want no lines of demarcation. And y'all see how easy this is. It's a simple look. It was simple, but I wanted it to make a statement as well, because I feel like, you know, the painting is so vibrant, so full of color. I didn't want to add a whole lot of color to my look. I just want pops of color, and you'll see what I mean when I say that, because I feel like the black and the white in that picture might get overlooked because of all of the red and the orange and the blue, you know what I mean? So I wanted to pull those colors out in my eye look. So that was another reason why I picked this. All right, y'all. And now I'm going to go in and put on a little concealer. I'm going to go in, actually, you guys, and do the rest of my face. And then I'm going to come back, and then we'll finish, okay? I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I am back. This is my look. I need to finish up my eyes. But I want to also let you guys know I went in with my MAC Viva Glam, the 25th edition lippy, because I wanted to pull in some of that red. It was just so much red in this picture that I feel like I just had to have a little bit of the red. And because I want a little bit of pop of blue, I decided to go with Urban Decay Chaos Liner. And we're going to pop that in our lower lash line and add some blue to this just to give it a little bit of a pop. Just a little bit. Because, you know, I was not going to be like no blue, right? And when I told you I was going to do a pop of color, this is what I was talking about. Now, guys, I'm showing you a picture of Tiffany because isn't she beautiful? She's gorgeous. This is the beautiful woman behind the beautiful art. And y'all, I'm going to leave her her website in my description box. Y'all, let's go and really support her sister. And see, this blue is just enough. It's not overpowering. I feel like it's just enough for this look. And I wore a blue jean dress to go in with the blue jeans she had on. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this eye. Guys, I want you to make sure you go and check out all of the beautiful ladies who's doing this collab. Yeah, I cannot wait to see what they came up with. This is your girl's look. This is the look that I got. I was inspired by the photo, and I just feel like it speaks to me. And I think I might have to buy that for my beauty room, y'all. Don't be surprised if you see it. But guys, make sure you go and check out all the ladies. Make sure in the comment section to let me know what it is that you see in this photo. And let me know if you're thinking about picking up a piece or two. Just to support a sister. You know, she's out here doing big things, and she's super talented, y'all. She's so talented. So I definitely want to put some spotlight on, you know, we put a lot of spotlight on the Black beauty community, but I also wanted to put a spotlight on, you know, Black people doing other things besides beauty. And I thought, as an artist, she's really representing us very well. And guys, if you're not following me on Instagram at It's Lori's Life, I'm gonna need for you to follow me on Instagram and thumbs up this video. If you like what you saw, thumbs up the video. But that's it, guys. So to all of my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life, yeah, this is Lori's Life. Check out Lori's Life, yeah, it's Lori's Life.